Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will show you what's inside of our electrical control box. I want to give a big thanks to our engineer Mr. Yang. With his help, I'm able to give you a rough introduce. This is circuit breaker connected to our 308 voltage cable. This is our transformer which converts 308 voltage to 220 voltage. This is the main circle. It divides into several lines. One is to supply 24 low voltage appliances. One is for the PLC, and another one is supplied to the touchscreen. This is the AC contactor, control the feeding motor, feeding the material from EPS silo to the EPS machine hopper. Also contactor the hydraulic motor for hydraulic station. This is the thermal protector, protect the motor from overload. This is the digital propulsion valve, signal convert current to the voltage. This is a power plug for touchscreen. This is the input cable corresponding to the signal. This is the output cable corresponding to the valve action. Those are relay, weak power control strong power. As you can see from this video, for our high-end EPS shaping molding machine, we are using the Siemens PLC low voltage appliance from Schneider. Okay, this is pretty much everything I want to show you about EPS shaping molding machine. If you have any question, simply leave your comments below or contact us by email. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you next video. Oh, one more thing. Different voltage and frequencies can be customized.